Hello today. Hello. I just want to do some more maths with you, if that's all right. Now, I've just shown you this here, some shapes actually, that I'd like you to look at. Thank you. Now, so basically, it's the topic of shapes here. I've got interior and exterior angles, and I've got little dots for the degrees. So the dot means key. The dot or the key is a dot, and it's degrees. And the interior angle is 60, and the exterior is 120 for the triangle. And they actually, the interior and the exterior have got to add up to 180. So they have to add up to 180. So you can see there's a pattern emerging there. Thank you for looking at that. And then you times the interior by how many sides each shape's got. So the triangle's got three. You times the interior of the angle by what the shape is. So for the triangle, it's three-sided. Quadrilateral, it's four-sided. For the quadrilateral, pentagon, it's five-sided. Hexagon is six-sided, and septagon is seven-sided, and the octagon is eight-sided, and the nonagon is nine-sided, and the decagon is ten-sided. So I just want you to see that. Thank you for looking at that. Thank you. And yeah, and the exterior angles is 120, 90, 72, 60, 51, 45, 40 and 36. And the interior is sorry about that. It's 60, 90, 108, 120, 128.571, 135, 140 and 144. Thank you for looking at that. And then I've got the triangle, the quadrilateral, the pentagon, hexagon, septagon, octagon, nonagon, and the decagon or something. I just want you to look at that. Thank you for looking at that. Thank you. So yeah, it's basically quite self-explanatory there. Yeah, the septagon is 128.571 for the interior, and you times that by 7. So the interiors you just times by how many sides they've got on their shapes. Thank you for looking at that. Thank you. Thanks. And also, I want to just do something else quickly for you now. Just a minute. Just a minute. Right, I just want to show you this very quickly. Sorry about that. I just want to show you perimeter quickly. I want to show you the perimeter quickly there. Thank you for looking at that. Thank you. Now that's the perimeter. So you just add up all the units are in centimetres. You just add up 5, 10, 5, 5, 5. Also, all the numbers there, you just add up. Thank you for looking at that. And you just add them up, and the answer is just is just adding 10 and the 4 5s to 2 10s and the 4 5s. It's as simple as that. So 4 5s there and 2 10s. 20. Is it 40? I think it's 40. The answer. Yeah, it's 40. I think. Yeah. Right, I'm just going to show you this quickly now. Sorry about this. Thank you for waiting there. I've got some area there. Thank you. And B is 5 times 10. B is 5 times 10, which is 50. C is 5 times 5, which is 75. So you just say 50 plus 75 gives you 50 plus 25 gives you the answer 75 for the total area there. Thank you for looking at that. Thank you. Yeah, that's all. So that's the area there. So I just wanted to show you that. Thank you very much. Thank you. And just another, sorry about this. Thank you very much. Lovely, sorry about that. Thank you for waiting for me there. Thank you. What else can I... Right, if I just want to show you something else here. Right, I'm showing you some corresponding angles here. I've got some corresponding angles which I want you to look at. Here. Thank you for that. These are corresponding corresponding angles. And A equals E, so the A equals the E, like that. The B equals F. The D equals H. And the C equals G. Thank you. And these are corresponding. So I just put corresponding angles up there. Corresponding angles. Thank you for looking at that. Thank you. Right, I've got vertically opposite angles here, vertically opposite angles. And the there, I've got vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. And the A equals C, and the D equals B, the E equals G, and the H equals F equals H, I think. Thank you. So yeah, A links up with C, D links up with B, H links up with F, and E and G are paired up. Lovely, thank you. And these are vertically opposite angles. Sorry about this. Vertically opposite angles. Yeah, vertically opposite angles. Thank you for looking at that. Thank you. Thanks. Right, I've got some alternate angles now. Right, these are alternate angles. And I just want you to look at some alternate angles. Thank you. And the D equals F, and the C equals E. Thank you for looking at that. Lovely. So the D equals F. The D at the top, there on the top bit, and which equals the F on the bottom bit. So yeah, like that. Thank you for looking at that. Lovely. Thank you. And now I'm going to just do interior angles. So this is interior angles. So I just put interior angles there. And if I just do this. Right, D plus E equals 180 degrees for these interior angles. D plus E equals 180 degrees. And C plus F equals 180 degrees. So the bottom ones at the top and the top of the bottom ones, that's basically what you can see there. Yeah, so it's the C plus F, which is 180 degrees. So the top... yeah, so it's the C plus F equals 180 degrees. And D plus E equals 180 degrees. Lovely, thank you for looking at that, thank you. These are the interior angles. Thank you for your patience today as I've been writing this stuff out. Thank you so much. If you like what I'm doing, if you could subscribe to my channel, that'd be very kind of you. Thank you. Lovely. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye. Thanks.